Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we are tackling up underneath the kitchen sink. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a little while now. It's gotten a little cluttered. There's maybe some things down there that need to find a new home, so I figured we could just tackle it together. I'll show you some of the things that I got to help keep it nice and neat and tidy and organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around and let's go ahead and get started. So we got everything cleaned out. I've got the bottom lined, and as you can see, my space is very limited. There's a lot of plumbing up underneath my kitchen sink, so I'm going to show you now all the items that I picked up that I feel would fit best in that limited space. I found this pretty white basket at Walmart for things that I may not need daily, and then I found these at the Dollar Tree, these little storage containers where the lid is actually connected, so I don't have to worry about losing lids, so that's nice. And then I have a caddy over here to the left for things that I may need daily, so I can just pick it up and take it from room to room. For trash bags, instead of keeping them in the box, I decided I was going to put them in something. So I actually have an old utensil holder, and if you just take the bags and pull it up in the middle like that, you can just pull them out one by one whenever you need them. And the neat thing is they fit perfectly right here in this little utensil holder, which I've now turned into a trash bag holder. Why not have your trash bags look pretty too?